unrivaled performance and throughput. No matter what sample you're trying to digest, the Milestone SK15 rotor is always an effective option to simplify the journey from sample to analysis, even for the hard-to-digest samples. Safety is assured by our unique vent and reseal technology, which is the foundation of Milestone's position as the leader in the closed-vessel microwave digestion sector. The SK15 is a high-pressure and high-temperature rotor with a capacity of up to 15 PTFE vessels suitable for the digestion of food, pharmaceuticals, polymers, alloys, and geological materials. The Maxi 44 perfectly matches the high productivity and quick turnaround time of many labs. It is a high-throughput rotor featuring up to 44 PTFE vessels suitable for routine applications and batch samples such as environmental, agriculture, food and feed matrices. The Maxi 44 combines an unmatchable ease of use with the highest sample throughput available on today's market.